Welcome to Regional Food Japan. Today, I'd like to show you how to prepare a rustic and comforting Wagyu beef and taro hot pot from snowy Yamagata Prefecture. It's perfect for a cold night's meal. Let's get started. Get yourself some Maitake mushrooms. Shimeji or Shiitake works just fine too. I never cut Maitake with a knife. Instead, pull it apart by hand. This way you can maximize the aroma. Now let me tell you briefly about the history of the hot pot. IMONI, Taro hot pot, originated in the 1600s. It all began when boatmen gathered along the riverbank to share hot pot together. They used Satoimo, Japanese taro, as the main ingredient. Today, IMONI is still enjoyed as a social gathering, now featuring local beef. My kitchen is already filled with a nice aroma. Get some konnyaku. Break the konnyaku into bite-sized pieces with a spoon. This way, it looks more rustic and soaks up the soup beautifully. For those who aren't familiar with konnyaku, it's a jelly made from the roots of the konjac plant. It's a traditional ingredient for Japanese cuisine and used for soups and stews and so on. Let's remove the bitterness of the konnyaku. Add some salt and rub it well. Boil a pot of water. Now boil for 3 minutes. Let's move on to making the actual hot pot. Pour in some water. Extracting dashi from Maitake is the key to this dish. We don't need kombu, we don't need katsuobushi. Turn on the heat to medium. Slowly extract umami for 10 minutes. Go in with the konnyaku. Continue heating for 5 minutes. Get yourself a bag of frozen taro. Frozen taro absorbs soup really beautifully. Also, you don't have to trouble yourself to peel it. That's why I prefer it to fresh taro for this dish. Now go in with the taro. Heat over medium heat for 15 minutes. Add some sake to bring out the flavors. Add sweetness with sugar. Soy sauce is at the heart of Japanese cuisine. Let everything marry together. Keep simmering for 15 minutes. I've got some beautiful Wagyu rib slices today. Let me do a quick taste test with sukiyaki. Iただきます。This is great beef. Add this velvet of Wagyu in the hot pot. I've got half a kilo, but you can add as much as you like. Let everything marry together. Carefully remove the impurities. Now let it simmer for 10 minutes. Let's add fresh green flavor to the hot pot with green onion. Bias cutting is ideal for this kind of hot pot. Let's do a taste test. Perfectly seasoned. Going with the green onion. Let everything marry together. It's done. This is the flavor built up on generations of Yamagata's history. Now let's have a taste. Itadakimasu. The Wagyu is so tender. This is yabai. The rich flavor of Wagyu, the earthy aroma of Maitake mushrooms, and the silky texture of Taro come together in perfect harmony, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. It goes really well with udon noodles as well.